I've been covering the Amazon Prime Day sales for a few years now, and dare I say that day 2 this year is the best. We're gonna go ahead and rapid fire through 50 of the top best deals you don't wanna miss in all categories. Let's jump in. This first product is near and dear to me. We are seeing a 40% off price drop on the photo printer. If you feel like you have all your photos just on your phone, they're not tangible, maybe just a great gift idea, you can now just simply plug in your device and it will automatically print your photos. And then you can make a photo album. They're tangible. They're not just on your phone if something were to happen. So we're seeing a major discount of 40% off. Also seeing 39% off of a pack of 2 wall surge protectors. So really great for high traffic areas, maybe near your office and a bedroom where you just need more outfits without the clutter. Pack of 2 down to $20. Now at any time, any of these deals are subject to change. I will continue to update the description box of the video with all of that info as well as restocks and things like that. And make sure to follow over to Instagram stories and drop your handle down below if you do, and that will enter you into the giveaway. I'm giving away 2 $500 gift cards to Amazon. I am extremely impressed with the TV deals today. We are seeing one of the best quality, the 90C top of the line QLED TV. The Samsung 75-inch is going to be down to $1,447. Now, along with Samsung, they do have the other size options. If you're looking for a 55-inch, anything like that, those are also on sale as well. I just specifically was looking at the 75-inch because that's what we have. Now, we actually have the Samsung brand. We've done so much research, and just the quality with the price, with all of the factors, that is the best price. And even I was talking to my husband about it, he was like, that's a really good deal. Now, LG is also running deals on their TVs, the 55 and the 75-inch. And we're seeing those range up to 22% off. The 75-inch is going to be 13% off. Now, if you're someone like me who tends to lose your keys, lose small items, or maybe forget where you parked, this tile finder might be right up your alley. 28% off price drop, bringing it below $18. Up to 3-year battery, water resistant, and it's iOS and Android compatible. And on Amazon, top seller, 4.5 star reviews with over 23,000 reviews. Top anticipated item that's going to be on deal today is the Oura Ring. So we are seeing a 18% off price drop there. Now, if you're like, Alaina, what is this? It's a smart ring. So instead of a smart watch, it's essentially a smart ring. Sleep tracker, heart rate tracker, fitness tracker, and has 5 to 7 days of battery life. And it comes in about 5 or 6 different color options. Now, computers. If you're looking for just a simple computer that's going to do the trick, the Lenovo Chromebook, we're seeing a price drop of 31% off of that. I've had Lenovo computers. They're just simple. They get the job done. We're also seeing the Asus Chromebook, 24% off price drop. It's going to bring it down to $160. So great for college students. Again, just a simple computer if you just need one that does the job, nothing fancy. These two are really great options at a great price point. Now, if you're looking for an off-brand earbud, you're like, I don't want to spend, whatever on Beats or Apple AirPods, opt for these 30% off, which brings the set for just under $35. Again, multiple color options, noise canceling, phenomenal reviews on Amazon. Actually features 3 microphones on the ears to help cancel that noise out so you can get the best sound quality. One of my favorite brands, JBL and Sony, are 2 of my favorite brands for speakers. You can get a little portable speaker by JBL. 30% off price drop, which brings it down to $29. I tell you, this thing is small, but it is mighty, and it comes in many colors. We're also seeing a price drop of 27% off on the Samsung Galaxy. I had it right here with me, but slim, durable, and this is the 2024 version. This only happens a few times a year, but we are seeing 20% off of the Peloton bike. So if you like to ride with other people, this is a great option coming up in the winter season where it's too cold to go outside. 20% off. Top anticipated deal. Just a basic, we all need AA batteries. We're seeing it 34% off. This is the exact brand we use. And let me tell you, kids' toys, they run out of batteries so quickly. We chew through these batteries. And if you're looking to upgrade your security camera, maybe you just moved, you need a new one, the Eufy security camera, top seller, top anticipated deal this Prime Day. We're seeing a price drop of 30% off, and you can install it in the comfort of your home. 360, it can tilt and see surveillance for 360, which I really, really like. We tried ones in the past that did not do that. No blind spots, and there doesn't have to be a monthly fee. And a great gift idea, the Callaway range finder. So if you love to play golf and you're looking for a range finder that can actually be pretty expensive. So we're seeing a price drop of 48% off. Moving on to some top selling home finds. We're seeing these smart outdoor string lights with a price drop of 42% off, bringing it under $48. So this is the time of year to grab them while they are on deal. As the holidays are coming up, now's the time to snag. And if you love your espresso and you're looking for a coffee maker, this one sells out quickly on Prime Day. So fingers crossed it is still in stock today. 29% off price drop, which is going to bring it down to $155. And again, I will be updating this hourly as well as over on Instagram stories. Also on Instagram stories, you'll be getting extra promo codes and last minute lightning deals over there as well. So make sure if you want to enter the giveaway to head on over there to stories. We're also seeing the absorbent bath mat. So when you step out of the shower, it's going to absorb and not leave like puddles of water. And if you have kiddos, this is also amazing with a price drop of 21% off, which is going to bring it down to $7. So you can upgrade some bath mats in your home. The sleek socket is down to 29% off. If you struggled with outlets behind furniture or you want to baby proof an outlet, this is incredible. You just replace this on the outlet. It'll give an extension of 3 feet so you can put the furniture flush up to the wall. And again, it can help with baby proofing. 29% off. The Viral, the best wet dry vacuum. You're getting 2-in-1 here, which personally I love. Less clutter, but I am telling you, this gets right up against the edge of furniture, a wall. If you spill ketchup, cereal, anything like that, I mean, this literally picks it up with a swipe. It is the best wet dry vacuum I have used. There's a reason why this has gone viral, and this is a top anticipated deal today. And today it's 42% off. Easy to clean, and it actually self cleans the roller. We have a great deal on a car vacuum, handheld vacuum. So this is great to use anywhere in your home in hard to reach areas, high chair, things like that. 41% off, bringing it down to just above $22. Now this is a great it's more of like an off-brand option. It's at a really great price point. Top anticipated deal for the home category is this throw blanket. We're seeing a price drop of 39% off, bringing it below $20. Comes in so many colors. You can use this as a throw on your furniture or on your bed. It's beautiful. The quality is amazing, and I am such a fan of this brand for bedding on Amazon. 2-pack laundry baskets, 39% off, which brings it down to $15. Also a smart oven. We love this. It has multiple functions in one. 31% off, which is a huge discount for this. Another very popular anticipated item for this Prime Day season. Great gift idea. 4.5 stars with over 8,600 reviews. And this reduces cooking time up to 30%. Moms, it's a must-have. 35% off of a milk frother. I use this all the time, whether it's mixing up a drink, maybe my electrolyte drink I drink every single day, all the way to a hot chocolate and more. So we're seeing that down to $6.49. Ninja Creamy, can we hear it in the back? Huge discount. Now this did sell out last 2 Prime days. So if you want this, I definitely would snag it. Down to $150, huge discount, rarely runs on deal. Essentially, if you like healthy ice creams, protein ice cream, you can make that all home. I mean, you guys know if you follow me on Instagram, I am slightly obsessed with my Ninja Creamy, and I'm a sweet tooth. I love ice cream. So this has definitely helped my sweet tooth and stopped the ice cream runs. Top seller, our cheese grater. If you're like us, we always buy the block of cheese and then grate it our own. I think it tastes so much better, so much more fresh. 38% off, which brings it under $25. And if you're looking for an air purifier in your home, we are seeing the 3-in-1 air purifier, 22% off, odor lock, and heater and fan. And Poppy Soda, if you're a fan of Poppy Soda, I love this deal that comes every Prime Day. 33% off a whole pack, which is gonna bring it under $20. If you love Poppy, let me know. We have some really, really great beauty deals. The best-selling Revlon air dryer. Now I've tried this and others have tried this as compared to higher end ones. And this one is the tried and true, 54% off today. If you have travel coming up, you need a toiletry bag. Maybe you just wanna have one you can keep in your bathroom so no makeup is on your counter. 39% off, bringing it down to under $17. If you want to save some money and get your nails done at home, I've tried different nail kits at home, and this specific brand, their gel nails are the absolute best. So you do need the light that goes with it. Price drop of 48% off. So simple to use. Shampoo and conditioner, always items that I stock up every Prime Day. My absolute all-time favorite, Salon Quality, the Biolage shampoo, which is also color safe, 30% off. Now, if you have thinning hair or you're looking for more of a scalp treatment, I would recommend the Nioxin Hair and scalp, 27% off, and this one does help with hair thinning, a newer brand I've been using and I really, really like. The Best electric toothbrush. I have tried other ones that were very, very sensitive on my teeth. I love the way that this cleans. It doesn't itch, it doesn't irritate. Top seller, price drop of 40% off, which brings it down to $60, and I've had mine for years now. The Dyson hair dryer, a little bit more of an investment. Again, one of those items that rarely runs on deal. Price drop of 23% off, which is huge. And I don't know about you, but anytime I see a pimple coming, I put on a pimple patch. It is a game changer for me. Honestly, out of sight, out of mind. Helps me not pick them. It essentially picks it for you and helps with scarring. 19% off the pack, which is going to bring it under $10. And my all-time favorite, guys, this is going to go in Christmas gifts. It's just an absolute beauty non-negotiable. It's how my lashes have gotten so long. The Grande Lash Serum, I also use it, the brow, because it's a tinted, so I just put it on in the morning. Now, I have tried lots of lash serums and none work like this. 30% off. Huge discounts on Levi jeans, which is another top selling item on Prime Days. My favorite straight style is 46% off, which brings it just around $30. Now, I always size up one size in Levi's. They're a little bit more of a high quality. They don't have as much stretch, so I always recommend sizing up one. If you have not jumped on the packing cube trend, I've done a lot of travel in September. Huge game changer for me was packing cubes. Keeps things in place. That way, when you get to your destination, your entire suitcase is not everywhere. 23% off, price drop, bringing it down to $20, and I'm telling you, these are a must-have. And along with travel, this pill organizer, you can cut down just the big bottles, the bulkiness, the weight in your suitcase by opting for this one. Has the days of the week, 7 different compartments, and it's an easy slide and lock. 40% off. The ballet flats, the mesh style ballet flats have taken the internet by storm. This is the lowest price I have seen, down to 40% off. They run true to size. I've tried a few styles, and these are my all-time favorite. They come in a few colors, true to size. And also the viral barrel jeans, whether you love or hate them, they are 31% off, come in multiple colors, and do run true to size. Let's talk some undergarments. These are my all-time favorite seamless thong style. So you're gonna get a whole pack for about $10.34, which is an insane deal. They wash well over time, they come in multiple colors, and they do run true to size. So if you don't like your underwear to show, definitely opt for these. A very popular item on Prime Days are these oversized corduroy jackets, which for good reason, we are heading into the cooler months. Cozy and can go with leggings or denim. 32% off price drop. Speaking of tops that are just oversized, you can wear with leggings, opt for this color block tunic, which has been a newer item that is very, very popular currently. 20% off, which brings it under 21. I size up to a medium, that way it's long enough to wear with leggings, but the fabric is lightweight and very nice. I also love this waffle button down. Again, I size up to medium on this. I like the fact that I can wear it open with denim jeans and a cute bodysuit, also completely closed up with my favorite pair of leggings and booties and a vest for a very warm, casual look. 15% off, which is going to bring that down to $27. Two top selling sweat sets, knit sets are on deal today. So starting off with this sweat set, this fabric, it literally is what I say gets softer with every wash. It is so soft. The quality is incredible. True to size, 30% off, comes in so many colors. And then you can also get this knit set, which is more of like a sweater material. Very on trend, again, true to size. Both have elastic waistbands, 23% off, and comes in a ton of colors. Closet staple around this time of year is a good black vest. You can opt for this one, coming at 20% off, which is gonna bring it down to $26. There's so many ways to style a vest. It's honestly one of my most worn pieces in the fall and winter season, especially living up on the East Coast. It gets very cold in the winter. And if you're just looking for a casual white basic t-shirt, I wear this one multiple times a week. I've had this for multiple years, and the quality, the wash, it's great over time. 22% off, which is gonna be under $17, and I do wear my true to size. This is not a super fitted shirt, so it's kind of a little bit looser and just easy to wear with athletic, all the way to favorite pair of jeans. And we will finish it off with our swig mug. Let's cheers to Prime Day 2. Good cup of coffee, 20% off. I've had this for a few years. It does a really good job at keeping drinks hot and cold for a while. So thank you so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys have scored some amazing deals. I appreciate you so much. Again, if you choose to use any of the links down below, I do earn a small commission from them, and I am so thankful for you guys. See you all next time, and happy shopping.